Guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use and withdraw cash from your Commonwealth Bank app Cardless. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, search for Commonwealth Bank and make sure Commonwealth Bank is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, you click on open and sign in to your app. Alright, once you've signed into your app, so you've got a couple of different ways to find Cardless Cash. On your home screen, you should be able to see a little tab called Cardless Cash right here. But if that doesn't appear, just in that search bar, type in Cardless, and it should pop up. Cardless Cash, there it is there. So click onto that, and now just skip through the next few prompts, and be mindful you've got up to $500 daily at any Commonwealth Bank. And you'll get 2 codes to enter the ATM after you've done this process. And you got 30 minutes to withdraw the cash before it's returned back to your bank account. Alright, so click on OK, got it. Alright guys, once you're on this screen, just type in the amount of money you'd like to transfer or get Cardless Cash of. So I'll do $50 in the description. Just going to put anything here, money. And then click on next. And then withdraw $50 from Smart Access to be collected at a Commonwealth Bank ATM. Click on confirm. Got a few moments to load, and you come to this page. Your Cardless Cash codes are ready. Get your Cardless Cash and cash pin from the app home screen. Go to any Commonwealth Bank within 30 minutes. Use the cash code and pin to withdraw the money. So all you need to do is see code. There are the codes right there. So go to a Commonwealth ATM, put in these codes, and that's how you get Cardless Cash, guys. Alright, that's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching to the end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you found this video was helpful, we really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.